In this video, I will show you how to cancel Uber Eats order after accepted. So if you want, you can just head over and then just get some order that you want. So if you want, just click on this go to checkout and then you should be able to add some items on your actual checkout lane. Now from here, you can also schedule delivery if you want as well. Now just choose your payment method. Now, if you want to cancel this particular plan, what you can do first is to make sure that the cancel button is still active. That means that merchant hasn't already accepted it. This is because you can only cancel an order if a merchant hasn't accepted it yet. And if they already accepted it, there is no way to cancel it because it's already considered in their inventory and the refund system is not on your side on that one. So that's how you cancel Uber Eats order after accepted. Hope you help.